It's us.
What is up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since, I uploaded, but the car got some shit going on. It got the ticking back, the little Hemi tick. Y'all know what it is. Well, Mopar know what it is. But I need to get my oil change done. It's time for me to do my spark plugs, and I'm going to do my brakes as well. But the only problem is it's raining. I'm gonna try to do it in the rain. It don't seem like it's not raining that bad, so I'm gonna try to do it in the rain. My only issue is what I'm gonna do after the car is all done. And I've been thinking of video ideas, coming up with some different shit, Now that I know how to turn my traction control all the way off, I wanted to do something with that. And I think it's best for me to drive around the city with no traction control while it's wet. Maybe. We'll see. But for right now, my main mission right now is to get this fucking car fixed, because in the morning I be hating cutting this car on. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That shit dreading the fuck out of me. Just to hear the fucking ticking sound. I know you probably can't hear it right now, but the ticking sound is irking me. It really is. I'm like, oh my gosh. But I will pick y'all back up when I get to the parts store and get everything. Y'all about to, oh shit, what the fuck going on up here? Hold up. What in the fuck? I'm just trying to get to the parts store. Why? 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 Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get to the parts store. I don't know what happened up here, but I need to get some gas too. Yeah. And looks like I'm getting over. Just left the parts store. Oh my fucking God. Man. Damn. Damn. Hell nah. Next time. Well, no, I like working on my car. But damn. That shit. Jesus Christ. About to head to the house, let my car cool down, and then it's time to get to work. So, yeah, shout out to O'Reilly's. They always be having the parts I need on hand. That's what I like about them. They have the parts I need on hand. It's not, I ain't gotta wait for them, boom, boom, boom. I got my brakes, some spark plugs, my oil filter. What else did I get? I got some the absorber oil, so that shit won't leak, because I'm tired of that shit happening. But, yeah, about to get dirty in this motherfucker. But I'll see y'all back at the house, unless y'all want to ride and hear this ticking sound. I ain't about to do nothing crazy with my car sounding like this. But, yeah. Alright, so it's been like a couple hours. I let the car cool down. Damn, that's crazy. That shit was getting wet the whole time. Alright, now I need to find the fucking jack. And I'm pretty sure I don't have it in this car. And if I don't, I'm fucking screwed. Cause I can't do an oil change without the fucking jack. So shit, look like the only thing I'm doing is the fucking spark plugs and shit. You know what? I'm time to go look in the Mustang. Take the key. Yeah, ain't nobody getting in that hoe. But shit. See if the fucking jack is in the Mustang. And it's open. And the Mustang's fucking dead. Of course. Fuck. Damn. Come on, man. I got jack stands, but no jack. How you doing? Jack stands, but no jack. Can't do a fucking oil change. Can't do my fucking brakes. That is low-key a wild situation. Fuck. Look like I'm just doing the spark plugs. So, yeah. I guess let's get to it. Fuck. What the fuck? Alright. But yeah. Look like I'm just doing the spark plugs. Glad the rain calmed down a little bit. So let's hurry up before my fucking hands get cold. Pop that, pop that. Go ahead, pop this hood. Ugh. Shit. Oh yeah, it's definitely cool. Put this in the trunk real quick, because I do not want it to get wet. Oh. Put you right here. Yeah. Alright. Let's grab this. Show y'all how it's done. Alright. Where I'm gonna set y'all at? Damn, I'm not about to be holding this hoe. Yep, that's perfect. Alright, so I figured out the problem. It was a user error. I wasn't pushing down hard enough so the socket could go over that. But look at this. Damn. Hold up, focus, focus, focus. Focus. Damn. Look at that. Yeah, it was been time for some new spark plugs. Now, I got them. Got the good old champions. You know what I'm gonna do? You know, I'm gonna put it in my pocket. But yeah. Been about time for new spark plugs. So, I'm about to finish these up. You know, I got 16 to do, well, 15 more to do. So, I'm gonna get with y'all when I'm done. So we're back inside, out the rain. Oh my God, that rain started picking up. I got one last cylinder to go, but I do have to work. So I said, fuck it. My hands got cold. I couldn't feel my head. I kept dropping the socket piece. I can't talk apparently, but All of them will change except for that last one. And the reason when the last one didn't get changed because there's some wires, punk ass wires in my way. So when it's not raining tomorrow, I hope it's not raining tomorrow, but if it's not raining tomorrow, I'm gonna wake up early in the morning, do the oil change, do the brakes, and do that last cylinder. But damn, this is the main reason why I didn't become a mechanic. I'm mechanically inclined, don't get it wrong, but I did not become a mechanic for that main reason. My hands can barely fit in the places I needed to, and then stupid shit like the fucking wires pissing me off. No, being a mechanic is not for me. But hopefully tomorrow it's dry and I ain't gotta worry about the rain and it being cold and this, that, the third, yada, 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 woo, woo. I'm just, oh my gosh, I'm over it. Fuck it. Fuck that. Fuck. All right, y'all. So it is the next day. And as you can see, doing the oil change, got a little dirty. Almost fucked up my hand again. Got the new oil filter on. Got to put that bolt back in and pour the new oil in. I'm tired. And this is the last one that I had trouble with yesterday. You see all them wires in my way? You see all them wires in my way? Them wires gonna get cut. Keep fucking with me. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. But got 2 more spark plugs to put in there. After that, I'm doing my brakes, and that's gonna be simple, easy. And it's still kind of wet out here. But it's not like yesterday. You know, I ain't gotta have a jacket on today. Whew. Nephew! Everything is done, the oil change is done. My brakes didn't need to be done, but I'm keeping my brake pads. So, but the car is sounding so much more aggressive. Woo! The ticket sound is still there, but I guess I gotta drive it a little bit more and whatnot. So, because last time it just went away while I was driving, so I just gotta drive it a little bit more. But y'all hear that? That sounded better than ever. No more misfiring. No more misfiring. All right, y'all. Next 2 days, because I couldn't really record yesterday, but next 2 days, car's been fixed. Now it's time to go, you know, do a little, I wouldn't say illegal. I can't say it's illegal, you know. Everything I do is legal. But time to go act the ass, you know. We're gonna act the ass, you know. But it's raining, so might just ride around, cut up a little bit with no traction, you know, turn my traction control off like I said in the previous video. But we're gonna link up with some of the guys, you know. We've been kind of inside the house, you know. It's been cold, wet, you know, shit going on type shit, you know, whatever. But now it's time to pop out, and best believe we're gonna pop out. So yeah, it's time to do what we do. And just, I don't know what we got in store. You know, we might get into a chase, we might not. You know, we might slide a little bit. Well, you know, we definitely gonna slide. You know, we gotta slide. Yeah, we gotta slide. So yeah, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get to where we're going. It's not too far away, so I'll see y'all when we get there. So we with the guys, you know. Yeah. With the guys, you know, type shit. Hey, doing a fucking tune-up on this fucking shit. what we pretty much be on. Bruh, I cannot get this fucking smudge off my fucking windshield. I don't know what fucking bug I hit, but this bitch is not coming off at all. I don't know what fucking bug I hit. I don't know what the fuck that was. Whatever the fuck. I know I was doing a little bit, I was doing the speed limit on the interstate, so it wasn't no soft yet. But still, I done hit it with the windshield wiper, the little thing at the little gas station, what you call them shits. I don't know what to do to get that shit off. That shit is on there for like real. Like, I don't know. Put down in the comments what can get that off. I don't know.